Did you know that accountants can earn up to $500 to $800 per day working remotely? In this video, I will show you how to work as an accountant on Toptal, step by step, even if you are not from the US or Europe. Toptal is one of the most exclusive freelance platforms in the world. Only the top 3% of professionals get accepted. If you are an experienced accountant and want to work with international clients, this video is for you. Toptal connects top companies with highly skilled professionals. These companies are mostly from the United States and Europe. They are looking for quality, experience, and professionalism, not cheap labor. Let me be very honest. Toptal is not for beginners. If you are a junior accountant with no real experience, you will most likely not pass. Toptal is best for senior accountants, bookkeepers, and financial analysts. Usually, they expect at least 5 years of real accounting experience. All interviews and tests on Toptal are in English. You do not need perfect English, but you must be able to explain your experience clearly. For example, you should be able to say, "I worked with monthly closing, reconciliations, and financial reporting for international clients." Your CV for Toptal must be 1 page only. Do not write general responsibilities. Focus on results and numbers. Instead of saying, "responsible for accounting," say something like, "prepared monthly financial statements under IFRS for a company with $3 million annual revenue." Software skills are extremely important. If you do not know QuickBooks, your chances are very low. The most important tools are QuickBooks Online, Excel with advanced formulas, and Xero. Systems like NetSuite or SAP are a big plus. Now let's talk about the application process. Toptal selection usually has 4 stages. First, they review your CV in English level. Second, you complete a technical accounting test, including journal entries and reconciliations. Third, you have a live interview with real accounting scenarios. Sometimes, there is also a trial project. Let's talk about money. Most accountants on Toptal earn between $50 and $100 per hour. For example, if you work 6 hours per day at $80 per hour, you can earn around $480 per day. If Toptal feels too difficult right now, use a smart strategy. Start with Upwork. Gain US client experience, build strong reviews, and then apply to Toptal. The biggest mistakes are applying too early, having weak English, and not knowing accounting software. Toptal is not easy, but it is worth it. If you prepare correctly, it can completely change your career and income level. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below how many years of accounting experience you have. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.